This car used to be too quiet for me. So I did the first exhaust mod that many people do and had a muffler delete. So now it sounds like this. So I didn't want to do just a basic muffler delete, and I wanted to add some tone to the exhaust. That's why I had them take out the secondary cats and replace it with an X pipe and remove all the existing H pipes, resulting in a sound like this. I've noticed in the lower RPMs, this V8 has a very throaty and muscular sound, while in the high revs, it still has that original AMG sound. And in some cases, it sounds surprisingly just like the later model SL63. But enough of me talking. Here's a compilation of what it sounds like now, including hard accelerations, cold starts, and onboard noise. So this is me at a normal speaking volume, and I have the camera about 20 feet back, so you could actually hear how loud it is. Well guys, there you have it. It's a muffler delete and an X pipe on an SL55. Is it too loud? That's really up to personal preference, but for me, I think the volume and the sound is just right. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.